As long as your balloons have arrived, you've made it to the fun part, putting everything together. So welcome to the assembly process. Before I start, I like to prepare my workspace, which sounds fancier than it is because for me, it's sitting down on the floor in front of the couch with my balloons and a pump while mindlessly watching Netflix with a toddler running around in the background. For you, choose an area with as much open space as you have available because trust me, your house is about to become a life-size ball pit. But important, stay away from sharp decor, fixtures, or toys here. At this stage, you'll need your electric pump and of course, your balloons. That's your core 12-inch plus your 5 inches and your 18 inches in every color and our clear 260 balloons. Remember, your electric pump will need to be plugged in, so your workspace must be within reach of an outlet. Otherwise, you'll need an extension cord. Then the last thing I do is a quick color test where I inflate at least one of every color and then hold them together in various different lighting to make sure that it's the look I envision. I typically use the 5-inch balloons since they're the cheapest bag to ruin if you do need to send the other colors back. Once your colors pass the vibe check and your workspace is ready, it's time to blow these babies up. So in the next lesson, I'll show you the secret to achieving perfectly polished, rounded balloons that make your arch look like you brought in a pro-level expert. Let's begin. Let's blow these up. We want this